Tired of juggling multiple Asana projects without a clear view of the big picture? Then you're in the right place, because today we're unlocking the power of Asana portfolios to transform chaos into clarity in just a minute and a half. First, let's locate the Portfolios tab in your Asana sidebar. It's usually found on the left-hand side, below Teams if you don't see it. Click More to expand the menu. Now, click on Portfolios, and you'll likely see a blank screen if you haven't created one before. Let's remedy that by clicking the New Portfolio button. Give your portfolio a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, for example, marketing campaigns or product development. Then, select who should have access to this portfolio by adjusting its privacy settings. Next comes the crucial part, adding projects. Click the Add Projects button. A window will pop up, allowing you to search for and select existing Asana projects to include in your portfolio. Choose all the projects relevant to the portfolio's theme. Once your projects are added, Asana Portfolios automatically rolls up key data like project status, due dates, and progress, giving you a high-level overview. You can customize which metrics are displayed, such as budget, priority, or custom fields, to track what matters most to you. To quickly update the status of a project within the portfolio, simply click on the status field and choose from options like on track, at risk, or off track. Adding a brief note about why the status was changed provides valuable context for your team. And that's it. You now have a powerful dashboard for tracking progress, identifying bottlenecks, and making informed decisions across multiple projects. Use this high-level view to proactively address risks, reallocate resources, and ensure your projects stay aligned with your strategic goals. Start creating your own Asana portfolios today and take control of your project landscape.